Good morning, guys. Myself Sridhar H, working as assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication at Government Engineering College, Haveri. So, in this module 5 of a basic electronics, that is digital electronic fundamentals, in this we people are going for the session 2, that is of complements. In the previous session, we have just studied about the number systems where the conversions have been taken place, and in this session we people are going for this complements. Okay, complements. So there are two types of complements for each base R system: the radix complement and diminished radix component. Okay, diminished radix component means R minus 1 complements. So if I just take a simple one, so 2's complement is a radix complement. Dismissed radix complementation is 1's complement. Okay, that is R minus 1 at Rn to the n minus 1. That is a given number is the n base they are having a distance complement of n is defined as R raised to n minus 1 minus n. Okay, so for that, if we want to increase, that is 2 R raised to n 2 raised to n cube, like that if we just going on, so we'll be having of ours 2's complement is 9's complement is R raised to 1 is 10 raised to 6 minus 1 minus en, that is 99999 minus en. So 9's complement of 5467000 is 999 minus 54670. Its value will be what? 4532999. So in the same fashion, if we just going for the 7-digit numbers, that is a 1's complement. So it can be of any complement, 1's complement or a 2's complement. So directly what we will be 1's complement is just the complementary form of that is if the value is 0, then it is been represented by 1, and if that's 1, then it is been represented by 0. Okay, or another example, if you just directly you can just minus subtract the value. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here it will not be having any of the borrow form. So this can be explained easily by taking on some examples. Okay, the first complements, 1's complement, that is diminished radix complement, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. So all zeros becomes 1's and all 1's become 0. It is of the simplest complement form. So if we just conversions of 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So this one is just an example. So its value is what? 1 0 1 1 4 zeros to the base 2. So its 1's complement is directly, if it is 0, then it has been 1. If it is 0 1, 0 is 1, 0 is 1. So next is 1 is there, so its value is 0. 1 is there, its value is 0. Once again, its 0 is there, 1, and its 1 is there, it is 0. Okay, so 1's complement, we are just converting that. If it is 0 value, then it is having 1 value. If it is having 1, then it is converted into a 0. See, 0 it is having 1, so 1 it is having a 0 value. Okay, so whatever we have done is right or wrong. If you want to cross check, so if you just add these two numbers, that is complementary form of 1's complement on the direct number, then we'll be getting all as 1's. Okay, that also we can cross check. Next, the radix component. So we're just taking a base 10 example. Okay, so we are just in this form. So it is only thing is what we can just subtract the first bit, that is the first LSB bit by 10, and the remaining things we can just subtract by value R minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 is what's value is what? 9. Okay, only thing is the first LSB bit is being subtracted by the base value, whatever the base value is being given, subtract the first LSB by that value, and the remaining values by the what? That is R minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. In this example, 10 minus 1 is 9. For example, see here, the value what they are given is 0 1 2 3 9 8. Only the first LSB, that is 8, is being subtracted by 10. 10 minus 8 is what? Its value is 2. Remaining bits, that is 0 1 2 3 and 9, are being subtracted by the value of 9. That is 9 minus 9 is what? 0. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, so what we are getting is only the first LSB bit is being subtracted by the value, whatever the base value is being given. Remaining bits are being subtracted by the R minus 1, that is the 10 minus 1, 9 value. Okay, so this one is the second example, 2, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0. Okay, so in this part what we have done, directly subtracted the first bit since it was a decimal value. See, so the base value is what here, the number value is 0, 0. At this point what we should checking is, we should check the first value, that is other than 0. If other than 0, we should just the first check. Until that value you should keep it as same. That first value should be subtracted by 10 and the remaining value should be subtracted by 9. See here, the first two zeros are there, it has been kept at it is same. The next number is 7, so 10 minus 7, its value is what, 3. Remaining bits are been subtracted by the 10 minus 1 value, that is 9. Then 9 minus 6 is what, 3, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Getting? Only thing is we should subtract the first bit by the base value, remaining bit by the base minus 1 value. And another thing is, what important thing is, so we should cross check the first bit, it should be not be a 0. If it is a 0, then that value should be kept same until the first digit. Okay, so this one is by the base 10. The same thing or the same procedure is also followed for the next base. So the next base is what, base 8, sorry, base 2. Okay, see here, 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. The first two bits are been same, so it is been kept same. Next is what, 2 minus 1 is 1. Remaining bit should be subtracted by what, base minus 1 value, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So its value, 2's complement of 1 1 0 1 1 0 is what, 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. The second example also, the first bit is what, 1, so it should be subtracted by 1. Remaining bits what, it's a 1's complement value, or it can be subtracted by the 1 value, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this one is the 2's complement method. Next, 2's complement, radix complement. In general, so this one is the direct method of subtracting the base 10 to the base 2. So 2's complement method, what we will doing is, first whatever the number what we people will be given, that number should be converted into a 1's complement, then we should add up with the 1 from the right. Okay, see the number what they are given is, direct 2's complement method is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. So its 1's complement is what, we should change the number from it 0 to 1. So say 0 to 1 0 to 1 0 to 1 0 to 1. Next is 1 to 0 1 to 0 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Then what we should do is, so this one is the 1's complement of the number whatever they are given. Okay, then is what, we should add 1, only 1 to the least significant bit, that is the first bit, that is 1 plus 1 is what, 0. Carry is been generated, once again 1 is been there, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Once again the carry is generated 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0. Next once again carry is generated, 1 plus 1 is 0. Next the carry is generated, then is 0 plus 1 is 1. Remaining all bits are been same, 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the term. So for 2's complement method. Okay, so whatever the 2's complement method you have done is right or wrong by checking with the previous procedure. Okay, all 4 zeros should be what, first 4 zeros should be kept zeros only, because the first number we should, we are cross checking for the first digit, and that digit should be subtracted by 2 and the remaining digits should be subtracted by 1. So we are doing a 2's complement. See, the 4 zeros are been there, so it has been kept same. Next, 2 minus 1 is 1, so remaining bit should be subtracted by 1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this one is the 2's complement method. So we are just cross check with the previous method also, or else the next procedure of conversion of 2's complement is what? First we should convert to a 1's complement, then add 1 to it. Okay, next. So direct method to convert 2's complement. So we can just go for the previous method or the next method or this method. So check for the first one from LSB. Until that, keep the value same. Later do 1's complement for the remaining bits. Okay, see, we are not doing anything else here. So direct conversion of a 2's complement is, we are just checking for the first bit, means other than 0. If it is a 1, then what it should be? It should be kept it as same. Remaining bit should be done for the 1's complement methods here. For the same number, if I want to do directly, means directly 4 zeros are placed here, getting 1, I am keeping it as same. Remaining bits are 1's complement, that is 1 is 0, for 0 it is 1, for 1 it is 0, the value will be getting. Okay, so if you want to check for the other number, see, number is 0011001. We are just checking for the first bit. It is a digit 1, so I should be keeping it as same. Remaining bits to 1's complement method. For it is 0 it is 1, for 0 it is 1, for 0 it is 1, for 1 it is 0, for 1 it is 0, and for remaining bits it is 0, so it is 1 1. Okay, so in this fashion, so we can just go for any of the procedure directly. If the first bit should be subtracted by 2 and the remaining bits by 1, or we first should convert the 1's complement, that 1 to it, or just check for the first bit, keep until that the same remaining bit 1's complement. So you can just go for whichever you feel easy. Okay, signed binary numbers. Okay, to represent negative numbers we need a notation for a negative value. So in the binary value, will not be subtracting by the negative value or the addition value. So depending upon the binary value, whether it's a 0 or 1, well, that is the MSB bit, will be cross checking whether it's a positive number or a negative number. Okay, sign bit is 0 for positive and for 1 for negative. Okay, we are just checking for this sign bit, the first bit from LSB. Okay, if it is a 1, then 0, then it will be of a positive number, and if it is a 1, then it will be of a negative number. Okay, see here. So this one is directly the signed convergence number. So how it will be representing? So it is no way representing it that it should be remember. So you should be knowing of what the any number whatever you will be giving, that if you want to convert, that is a positive number or a negative number, then you should be going for this 2's complement number. So if you are just giving a negative number, that is minus 7, so its value will be what? 1001. Actually 7 value is what? 0111. So what's value will be what? 1001, like that. Okay. See, next the arithmetic addition. Okay, we are just taking with the addition form. So how the conversions have been taking place. Okay, how the addition should be done, and only the one thing is we will not be doing any of the subtraction process here. We are just going with the addition process. The addition of two numbers in signed magnitude system follows the rules of a ordinary arithmetic form. If the signs are the same, we have to add two magnitudes and give the sum the common sign. So already we know that if the signs are same, that is plus to plus, then it will be of a plus sign. If it is of a minus to minus, then it will be of a minus sign. If the signs are different, we subtract the smaller magnitude from the larger and we give the difference of the sign if the larger magnitude. Okay, so this one is a normal mathematics what we have been done, but here we will be just going for this addition process by converting the negative number to a 2's complement number. Okay, that we are just cross checking here. The addition of two signed binary numbers with negative numbers represented in signed 2's complement form is obtained from the addition of the two numbers including their sign bit. Okay, and the carry out of the sign bit is been discarded. Okay, so these are some of the examples what have been given, and we are just cross checking with one by one. So in this fashion we are just cross checking with both plus sign, one minus and plus, plus and minus, and both minus to minus. The same examples have been taken separately here. See, adding two binary numbers with both positive signs. So this one is a normal mathematical calculation, plus 6 as well as plus 13. Okay, so since it is the addition process, we are just taking for the 8 bits. Normally for just the carry, if it is the carry generation, just for that reason we are just taking for this 8 bits. Okay, see here, its value will be what? 6 value will be what? 0, 1, 1, 0, and the remaining 4 bits will be what? 0. Okay, or else it is just values 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, that is 0, 1, so that is 1, 2, 4, 6, that is 4 plus 2 is 6 value. So for 13 it will be, how it will be representing? So it is been shown in a number system, how it will be? 13 means its value will be what? 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1 means it will value will be what? 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, since we are just taking for the 8 bits, only we can add up with by using what? 4 bits also, but after addition we will be getting the 5th bit, so at that time we people should be cross check. Okay, so this one is just the simple addition. Okay, so 0, 6 means since by 5th bit has been generated, we people are be taking for the 8 bit. So 0 plus 1 is what? 1, 1 plus 0 it is 1, 1 plus 1, so the carry is 0 and the carry is generated as 1. So once again 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 it is there, so it has been 1. 19, 19 value how it will be representing? 16 plus 3 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, getting 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, that is 2 raised to 4 is 16. If we are just going on by using the bits, we can just calculate there also. Next, adding the two binary numbers with first negative and second positive signs here. Minus 6 plus 13, minus 6. Okay, so this one is what we should be converting to a, so first the numbers that you should be converting. So minus 6 value they have taken it as 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. How it is been converted? That means, so normal 6th value is being converted to a 2's complement value. Okay, so by depending upon that we can just go. So this one is the 6th value, that is 5 zeros 1 1 zeros, 5 zeros 1 1 0. First what we should be doing is, first we should convert the 1's complement, then add 1 to it. So what value will be getting is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0, that the same value it has been taken here. Or we can directly do is what? 2's complement or what? The first bit should be cross check with the digit value, until that it should be kept same. Here 0 it is same, until the first one it is been same. Remaining bit should be what? Taken it as 1's complement. For 0 5 0 it is been 5 ones are been there, then it is 0 it is there, it is been 1, then it is 1, it is 0. Directly also we can just do it, or the previous slide what it has been done. So or else 1's complement, then add 1 to it. The direct method is what? The first check the first digit, until that keep it same. So first digit is what? 1 0 it has been, until that it has been kept same. Remaining bits are taken it as 1's complement. Okay, then add it. The addition is what? Same. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is also 1, but 1 1, 1 plus 1 at that time what? Sum is 0, carry is 1. So that is the binary addition what it is taking, that case should be taken, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is generated. Once again 1 plus 1 0, carry generated, 1 plus 1 0, carry generated, 1 plus 1 0, 0 at the last bit. So we are just taking for the 8th bit, the 9th bit will be what? 1, so that it will be neglected. Okay, and its value will be what? So 1 means it's of a positive number. The last bit is 0, that is minus 6 plus 13 is what? 7. 7 value, its binary value is what? 1 1 1, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, next, adding two binary numbers with first positive and second negatives here. First positive number 6, it is been kept same, so minus 13. 13 value is what? How it will be represented? It is represented as 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 1 1 0 1. The remaining 4 bits are being 0. Okay, directly what we can do, first we can convert that into a ones complement, then add 1 to it. Or if I want to write it directly, what I can write it, only until the first digit I should keep it as same. So the first digit is 1, so I have kept it as same. Remaining bits have been converted into ones complement, that is 4 zeros, 00 and 1, 4 zeros, 00 and 1. Okay, the next the procedure is same, that is the addition. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 once again carry generated, 1 plus 1 is 0, once again the carry generated 1. Okay, so this is the 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So this one is the 7 minus 7, that is minus 13 plus 6 plus minus 13 is minus 7. Okay, so how we can be cross checking with the minus 7 value now, whether whatever the value you people have got it right or wrong. Okay, that we can cross check with what 7 value is what, all first 5 digits 0, remaining 3 bits as 1 1 1. Okay, so one sec. If you want, 7 bit is what, 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, it's direct of 2's complement. What we can do is, first we can write it as what, the first digit will be what, 1, remaining all bits will be, see the first bit should be 1, remaining all bits should be what, complementary one, that is 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this one is the 7 bit is the what, so this one is 7 and minus 7, so minus 7 value what it will get, it is same. So in this fashion also we can just do it. Okay, next, adding of two binary with both negative sign, minus 6 as well as minus 13. So minus 6 value already people are calling in the 2's complement method, minus 13 in this method, and so I just added up, we will be getting it as minus 19. So direct the normal addition. Okay, so 19 value, how we will be writing it as 19 value, that is 16 plus 2 19, 16 plus 2 plus 1, that means 0 0 in the previous value what you are getting, okay, 19. So its value will be what, 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, its value will be what now, so according to the directly 2's complement, if I just do it, 1 will be kept it as same, remaining all bits should be 10, that is 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. See, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so whatever the value converted is base same. So in this fashion we can just convert any of the numbers with the sign bit, okay, by using the 2's complement method for the negative numbers. Okay, see, so same thing, so already we know that. So if you want to convert the plus or minus to A or minus to plus B, whatever it might be, so the procedure is been same, that is minus into plus will be what, minus. So in this fashion the procedure is been same. So whatever people have been studied, that is minus 6 of minus subtraction if I want to do, at that time once again the convergence will be the same, that is minus into minus is what, plus 16, that is minus 6 plus 13, will be getting it as plus 7. So already we know that convergence in the basics of this one. So if they give to subtract any of the values, then also we can just go with the minus of minus 13 or minus of plus 13 will be what, minus 6 minus 13, like that the procedure is been same. Okay, so this one is the completion of your second session, that is of a complement. So in this one directly the thing is what, we should be checking with the 2's complement. So any of the negative number if they give, just convert that to a 2's complement, then do a normal addition process. Okay, so whatever the value will be getting, if you are getting a negative number, then also if you convert that to a 2's complement, then you will be getting of a positive value. Okay, thank you.